Boys and girls, it's Mrs. O again. Today we're going to go over our frequency words. I'm going to say the word and I'll give you a chance to repeat it. I'm going to spell the word and you're also going to get a chance to repeat it, okay? Our first word is does. Does. D-O-E-S. Does. Awesome. Our next word is not. Not. N-O-T. Not. Awesome. Remember, I'm giving you a pause so you can repeat after me, okay? The next word is school. School. Awesome. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. And our last one is what. What. W-H-A-T. What. Awesome. I'm going to read some sentences to you guys here for our frequency words. So this word is does. Dan does his best work. Our next word is not. Do not run at school. School. We read a lot in school. And our last one is what. What can we play today? Okay. Those are all of our words. I'll show them to you again. Practice writing them, practice seeing them, practice spelling them without looking at the word, okay? The word is does, not, school, and what, okay? I want you to practice the word. Get a whiteboard and a marker or get a pencil and a piece of paper. I want you to practice writing the word does. D-O-E-S. Okay? I want you to practice writing the word not. N-O-T. Not. Awesome. And I want you to practice writing the word school. School. S-C-H-O-O-L. I'm going too fast. You can always just pause the video and then resume it when you're done writing the word, okay? And our last one is what. What. W-H-A-T. What. All right, guys, again, if I know I went a little too fast, just go ahead and pause the video with the word. I want you to practice writing the word. You can write it on a whiteboard or write it on a paper. Practice writing those words because hopefully by the end of the week you should know how to spell those words and how to use those words in sentences. All right, good job today, guys.